Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where artificial intelligence, AI, is leading a transformation like never before. In this video, we'll explore how AI is reshaping the manufacturing landscape and why it will continue to promote innovation, growth, and efficiency. From automation to predictive maintenance and beyond, AI is changing the game. Let's dive into the key reasons why AI will have a profound impact on the manufacturing industry. 1. Automation and efficiency. First and foremost, AI is at the heart of automation. With advanced robotics and AI algorithms, machines can now work 24/7, producing more products at a faster rate. AI enables these machines to learn from their operations, improving accuracy and reducing the risk of human error. This means fewer defects, more consistent quality, and lower production costs. AI allows for continuous optimization. It analyzes real-time data from the production line, adjusts processes, and minimizes downtime. This level of automation is making manufacturing more scalable than ever before. 2. Predictive maintenance, reducing downtime. Another major benefit AI brings to manufacturing is predictive maintenance. Traditional maintenance involves waiting for machines to break down before fixing them, which leads to costly downtimes. But with AI, manufacturers can predict when equipment will need maintenance before it fails. AI systems monitor the performance of machinery in real time, analyzing data like temperature, vibration, and energy usage to predict wear and tear. This proactive approach reduces downtime, increases machine lifespan, and keeps production running smoothly. 3. Supply chain optimization. Artificial intelligence is not just about what's happening on the factory floor, it's also transforming the entire supply chain. AI algorithms can forecast demand, manage inventory, and even optimize logistics. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI can predict fluctuations in demand and ensure that the right amount of raw materials are available at the right time. This reduces waste, cuts costs, and helps manufacturers meet customer demand more effectively. 4. Enhanced quality control. AI is also improving quality control in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Traditional methods of quality inspection can be slow and prone to errors. But with AI, manufacturers can use machine vision to inspect products faster and with greater accuracy. AI-powered cameras and sensors can detect even the smallest defects, ensuring that only high-quality products reach the market. This means happier customers and fewer returns. 5. Flexibility and customization. One of the most exciting benefits AI brings to manufacturing is increased flexibility. In the past, mass production was all about producing large quantities of standardized products. However, consumer demand is shifting towards personalized and customized products. AI enables manufacturers to meet this demand by making their production processes more flexible. AI-driven systems can quickly reconfigure production lines to accommodate small batches of customized products without sacrificing efficiency. This allows manufacturers to offer personalized solutions to customers while maintaining the speed and cost-effectiveness of traditional mass production. The ability to adapt quickly to changing market demands is a game-changer for manufacturers looking to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly promoting the future of manufacturing. From increasing automation and reducing downtime to enhancing supply chains and quality control, AI is driving efficiency, innovation, and growth. Manufacturers who embrace AI technology will not only improve their current operations but also position themselves for success in an increasingly competitive global market. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on manufacturing will only grow stronger, making it a critical factor in shaping the future of the industry. Stay tuned for more updates on how technology is transforming industries, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of innovation.